Welcome friends. So in continuation to the experiments that we have performed in our lab for the mechanics of solids, we are going to discuss one new experiment today named as the free fall dynamics. This is the experimental setup for the free fall dynamics. So here we have some electromagnet and one rigid body. This rigid body we are having, so it can be attracted by this coil when it will be placed here on this. As to calculate this particular, actually the body is falling freely from this point to this point, and this is an arrangement through the gate for the free fall apparatus. So in this we may note down the time taken by this particular body from this top to the bottom into, say, a particular distance that is adjustable. Here is some scale, and on this scale we can measure. Otherwise we can also take some another scale to measure this the distance. So by using this we may note down the time taken by the body when it is falling freely from this particular height. Okay, so you can see here, let me show you the lab manual. Before that we may understand and note down some of the observations that we need to determine. Simply we are going to place this body, as we will keep this coil magnetized. Now it will be attached to this system. The coil magnetic field is generated over there, and now you can see in this apparatus here, I think you can see it is visible to you, as I'll demagnetize this particular magnet from here. So the body will fall on this tray, and as it will be reaching up to this point, so the time taken to complete this particular distance is measured by this digital timer. Okay, so I am going to demagnetize this, and our observations are basically we will note down the distance. So first we have taken the 40, and then we will take the 50 centimeter here, that we will convert into the meter, and the time is in seconds. So you can see here. So I am just trying to demagnetize, and the body will be struck off from there. It will be falling freely on this timer tray, so that you can observe. Okay, so this is our first observation that we have taken, and similarly now we can reset this timer. We will again magnetize this and place the body. So I have again placed this body. So 3 times we will get the observations. We have demagnetized and then take the observation. Okay, like this. Then again we will reset, and we will take the observation for this particular distance, 40 centimeter. Okay, and now I have just changed this particular height. Now it's at 50 centimeter, and same procedure we will follow. 3 times we will get the observation for both the distances, and the time taken by this body, so that we have noted down by this stopwatch 3 times, and then we will take the mean average time taken to cover this particular distance when the object is falling freely. So after that, as I have taken actually the observations parallelly, so you can see here are the observations in the lab manual. So these are the observations that I have taken by this apparatus. So I think it is visible to you. So like this we can determine the acceleration due to the gravity g of an object falling freely. Okay, so this is one of the experiment, and this is all from my side for this apparatus. Thank you.